Do you know how to create one more repository in Informatica? Do you know how to create? Normally, no need to learn about how to create a repository. Okay. But I'll show you how to create a repository. Okay. I'll show you how to create a repository. Okay. Suppose your repository name is, okay. What is the repository name we'll give? I'll show you how to create a repository. REP SVC test. REP SVC test. Okay. First, what we need to do? You need to create a schema. You need to create a schema first. REP SVC test is there already. Let me check. Wait a second. I'll delete this and I'll recreate it. Okay. Come to schema. Okay. What is your testing repository name? REP SVC test. Okay. You need to create a user first. You need to create a schema. How to create a schema? As per my Informatica installation, what you need to do? You need to go to other users. Okay. And you need to create a user. Create a user. Here, the username is REP SVC test. Password, admin. Okay, default table space, system, and temp. Default is user, I guess, right? Default table space is users, then temp. Okay, and all grants, admins, default, system privileges, grant, admin. Okay, here you need to uncheck this as per my installation. This one, quotas, users. Apply. Then a schema will create. A schema is created with the name REP SVC test. Though connect to that first. Connect to that. REP SVC test. REP SVC test is my schema name. Admin. Save password. Test. Connect. Okay. Once you are done, then you need to go to Informatica administrator page. How to go to Informatica administrator page? Go to start. All apps. Okay. Here, Informatica 10.2.0, Informatica administration homepage. Open this. Informatica administrator homepage. Then come here, advanced, proceed to laptop. Okay. Then you give administrator, admin, login. Now what you need to do? You need to create a repository service first. You need to create a repository service first. Okay. You can use a query also. You can use a query also. Okay. To create a schema, you can use a query also. Yeah. Now you can use it. You can create like that also. Okay. Now come to services and nodes. Click on any service. Actions. Click on this domain. Actions. New PowerCenter repository service. What is the name of your PowerCenter repository service? Same name you give. REP SVC test. Location, license, and node. Click on next. Database type, Oracle. Username REP SVC test. Password is admin. And connection string is XE. Okay. No content exists. Enable version control. Finish. So REP SVC test will create. After that, click on this edit button. I'll tell you what is version control. I'll tell you later. Okay. Click on this. Sorry. What is this? Normal. Operating mode to normal from exclusive. Click on OK. Once the repository service is created, then you need to create an integration service. Then you need to create an integration service. Okay. Okay, done. Now go to actions. Click on this domain. Go to actions. New integration service. In here, give int svc dev. int svc test, right? Give a name, int svc test. Okay, license, name, node, click on next. Repository service, REP svc test, which we created. Username, administrator, administrator. Whatever the username, password you give, the same thing will connect to the repository. Okay, admin. Click on finish. Click on finish, click on OK. So, and enable it. Enable. My integration service is enabled. Now come to designer, go to repository, then configure domains. Configure domains. Here REP svc test is coming. Is REP svc test? Click on this. Click on OK. Now REP svc test repository has come. Connected to it. It is connected actually. Disconnect, unconnect. It is connected, but there are no folders. That's it. Administrator, admin. Click on connect. It is connected, but there are no folders. How to create a folder? Go to repository manager. So whatever the folders available in development repository, same folders with the same name will be available in testing repository. So who will create your development repository and testing repositories, folders and repositories? Who will create in real time? Who will create Informatica repository or folders? Informatica administrator, not DBA. DBA will work with database only. DBA will work with database. Informatica administrator, you are an Informatica developer. Like that, Informatica admin will be there. There is one more job called, in Informatica, there are 3 types of jobs. One is Informatica developer. Another one is Informatica administrator. Another one is ETL tester. So you are what? You are a developer. Developer means you will open the folder and you will create a mapping session workflow, all those things. But in real time, you don't need to create any repository. You don't need to create any folder. Who will take care of it? Informatica administrator, Informatica admin. So whatever the folders are available, he could have created the same folder name. So he will connect it to test repository and go to folders, create. What is the folder name? Batch. He will create like this. Batch 13 morning. Batch 13 morning. He will create batch 14, right? Batch 14 morning. He will create. So this is the folder. Create, please. Clear? Are you clear? Understanding? So this is how you need to create a unit. This is how you need to create a testing schema and a folder. Now what you need to do? We have a workflow. What is my workflow name? What is my workflow name? My workflow name is